Okay guys, this is the moment of truth, okay? I'm about to show you a secret cabin on this ship. This is a special solo balcony cabin reserved only for solo travelers. All right, this is where we're looking. Cabin 650 on deck 6. All right, this is a solo balcony cabin for one person. Let's check it out. Guys, look at this. Oh my God. There's a bed. It's not quite a queen bed, but it's a double, which for one person is just enough. And if you have a special guest some night, you got room for the two of you, you know what I'm saying? And look at all this storage. Everyone's talking about storage. Look at this massive closet right here. Look at all that space for one person. Then you got these two big, huge cabinets up here with more crap. I mean, if you're a solo traveler and you need all this space, you're traveling with too much crap. That's all I gotta say. Little closet, oh, and a safe that will barely hold a cell phone, but hey, it's a safe. It'll keep your wallet safe. And even comes with a coffee maker. God forbid when the last time that was cleaned. And down here, what do we got? Ooh, look at that. It's not quite a fridge, as they quite make clear. It just keeps things cool. It's a cooler. It's not a fridge. But here we are. There's a massive TV and something you wouldn't believe is in such a small room for a single person. One mirror, two mirrors, three mirrors in this tiny solo balcony cabin. And let's check out the bathroom while we're here. There's a toilet in it. Yes, an actual toilet in the bathroom. Imagine that. And a shower. It's pretty damn big for one person. Or like I said, if you got that special guest, there's room for two. Oh, and look at this tiny, tiny sink, which we can't even get your whole hand wet. But that's fine. That's all you need. And then you've got toilet paper, extra toilet paper. That's a bonus. And a disposal bag for your tampons. And then it's got towels, and look at all these hooks. It's got hooks for all your shit to hang up. Lots of hooks for hanging. Oh, and check out this. This is the 2-in-1 body and hair wash dispenser. Because we all know, we're not stupid. We realized when there was 2 or 3 of these in here, they were all full of the same shit. So they got rid of the other 2 and just made the one, because why have 3 dispensers or 2 dispensers when you can get away with 1? Am I right? Do we all know it's the same stuff? And there's a nice view of the shower again. Okay, and then we go out here for the pièce de résistance of this solo balcony cabin. Is this incredibly massive balcony, guys. Check it out. It's so big, you get a chair that reclines and has a footstool. Check that out. You don't get that all in all the ships. That's amazing. Oh yeah, by the way, we're on the Anthem of the Seas, heading north towards New Jersey. This is a 6th floor, what they call a obstructed view, but I don't know, my view's not that obstructed. There's a couple of lifeboats right there, but that's fine. That's fine. I'm just amazed by the size of this balcony. Check it out. Look at that. I got all this room. You can have a party out here with all the people you can fit out here. And since you're solo, you're gonna have lots of parties. And then you can always end up here in your double bed. And of course, the obligatory towel animal. Although I think this is a towel person holding my luggage tags and stuff for when I get off. They're really giving me those early. Guess they're really looking forward to getting rid of me. All right, guys, that about ends it for the tour of the room. Stick around for more. Yeah.